Welcome to SpeakUp English. Learn from zero. This channel helps you speak English step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Can you say your age in English? Let's learn how to talk about age today. We are in a recording studio. Anna and John are practicing a simple English conversation for beginners. Hi, John. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Oh, nice. I'm 30 years old.
That's great.
In this conversation, Anna and John talked about age. You can say, I'm years old, to talk about your age. Now let's practice together. Please listen and repeat slowly. How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Now it's your turn. Say your age out loud or write it in the comments. I'm 31 years old. Thank you for learning with SpeakUp English. Learn from zero. Practice every day. Speak with confidence. And see you in the next lesson.